today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bold text in Canva. Bolding text is one of the simplest ways to make important words stand out in your design, whether you're working on a social media post, a presentation, or a flyer. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through exactly how to do it, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen. First, make sure you're logged into Canva and that you have a design open. This could be any type of design, a blank canvas, a template you're editing, or an existing project. Once your design is open, look for the text you want to edit. This might be a heading, a subheading, or a smaller body text element. To start, click directly on the text. You can click anywhere inside the text box. When you do this, you should see a blue outline or border appear around the text box, showing that it's selected. You'll also notice that a toolbar appears at the top of the screen. This is Canva's text editing toolbar, and it's where you can change things like font, size, color, alignment, and of course, bold. If you want to bold just a specific word or phrase, click once on the text box to select it. Then click again and drag your cursor over the exact part of the text you want to change. That will highlight only that section. If you want the entire text box to be bold, you don't need to highlight anything, just make sure the text box is selected. Now look at the toolbar above your design. Among the icons and options, find the letter B. This is the bold button. It usually appears near the font style and font size options. Go ahead and click on that B. As soon as you click it, you'll see your selected text become thicker and more pronounced. That means the bold formatting has been applied successfully. If you change your mind or want to remove the bold effect, simply make sure the text or specific words are selected again and click the B icon one more time to toggle it off. That's all there is to it. By selecting your text and using the bold button